Hi everyone! We just had 2 solid weeks of rain here in Southern California. Today I'm going to share with you why I plant these 5 easy to grow vegetables before a winter rain. Now this is especially great for southern gardeners. These are cool weather vegetables that thrive in the wintertime in southern gardens. They like 75 degrees or under, easy to grow, but you northern gardeners don't tune out because all 5 of these vegetables are perfect to plant in the early spring in a northern garden. Now the reason why you should plant like crazy before it rains is because the rain does the work for you and it's practically effortless to grow these vegetables. Now the first one I planted before rain just a couple of weeks ago are peas. They're just starting to come up, which is super exciting. Unfortunately, a chipmunk or a bird got to them and chewed off the top. So I'm actually going to plant some peas right here behind those just in case these don't make it or the squirrels get them. So peas are such a delicious vegetable. You can plant them in full sun. They love the cool temperatures, they love the wet soil, and these are sugar snap peas from my fall garden seed collection. Super easy to plant. You just want to poke one right in the soil and wander around your garden and plant your pea seeds next to all the trellises that you have still standing from the summertime. The second vegetable you should plant like crazy before it rains is kale. Now here I have some kale that's been growing for a couple of months and it just greened up like crazy from the rain last week. Now there's no water that plants love better than rainwater. And the reason for this is that rain contains nitrate, which is a very fast absorbing form of nitrogen. One of the really important nutrients that plants need to grow that makes it green and leafy. But if you don't have kale already growing, plant some more seeds. I'm going to actually plant a few more seeds right here. This is red Russian kale from my container garden seed collection. Super easy to plant, so you can just run around your garden like crazy and throw seeds down wherever you can. I'm just going to pop some in here in this little empty space. And hopefully we'll get some more rain in the next couple of weeks. It'll do the work for me. I mean, you guys, this is a freebie. No watering required. Just sprinkling these down and we'll let the rain water it in. The third vegetable you should run around and plant like crazy before it rains are radishes. Radishes are such a delicious, zippy vegetable. There's many different varieties you can plant. But today I'm going to plant French breakfast radish. They're from my fall garden seed collection, and radishes are one of the quickest growing vegetables you can plant. They go from seed to harvest in about 3 weeks or so. You can plant them in full sun. I'm just going to poke the seeds down here lightly in the soil. And I'm planting here in this new Smart Pots raised bed, hopefully coming out this spring. It's affectionately dubbed Little Shorty. It's a 3-foot long, 1-foot high raised bed. Super cute colors, and I do need your guys' help. If you could let me know which color you like the best. We've got orange, purple, blue, and then forest green, and I'll pass your feedback on to Smart Pots. So I'm just popping the seeds here in the raised bed, just barely poking them down into the soil. And I can't wait to see them germinate. With the rain, they get nice deep water, and they will be popping up in no time. The fourth vegetable you should plant like crazy before it rains is lettuce. I mean, who doesn't love a delicious garden fresh salad? And you guys will be amazed at how fast your lettuce greens grow with a little bit of rainwater. It's just pure hydration. So I've got some Paris Cause and some red romaine growing here. These are from my lettuce seed collection. Today I'm going to plant 2 more varieties, a bronze mignette, which is a beautiful purple tinged lettuce, and a Grand Rapids lettuce, a nice green ruffly lettuce. These are from my lettuce seed collection as well. I'm actually going to mix these 2 types of lettuces together, but you can feel free to do that. It just makes for a beautiful, colorful, nicely textured salad. And lettuce is such an easy vegetable to plant. You just kind of sprinkle the seeds on top of the soil. I'm going to make a couple different rows here. And then lettuce does like light to germinate, so you can just kind of press it down here. Don't even have to cover it. I'm actually going to sprinkle a little bit of soil on top so the birds don't get the seeds. This is a no-brainer. You plant your seeds like crazy. When rain is coming, you walk away and the rain does the work for you. Instant water. Now I am going to leave this side of my garden bed here empty because lettuce is one of those crops you can plant every couple of weeks. So you have different crops ready at different times. You don't have too much lettuce at once, and you never run out of your nice, fresh, tasty garden salads. Before I share with you the fifth vegetable, I have a big reveal, something never before seen on YouTube. I'm super excited about this. The brand new Callie Kim 10-gallon Smart Pots in bright, vivid colors. Purple, orange, and blue, and they're now available over at calliekimgardenandhome.com. Many of you who have asked for these are 10 gallons, and they're large enough to grow big vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, got some broccoli going in here, and some greens, which I'm going to tell you about in just a moment. The fifth easy to grow vegetable that you should plant like crazy before it rains are mustard greens. A very fast growing vegetable, lots of different varieties you can grow. Here I have growing are some tatsoi mustard greens. Now these actually are going to be in my brand new specialty green seed collection that will be coming out during the month of January. But they're a super quick growing green. They're beautiful. They're actually called spoon mustard, and you can see why, because the leaves are shaped a little bit like a spoon, and they're just super tasty and delicious. Easy to grow from seed. And I'm going to actually pop some here in this 10-gallon Smart Pots right in front of the broccoli. Hopefully we'll be harvesting the broccoli soon, but I have a little bit of space. So I'm going to make the most of my space and the most of the rain. Pop down a few seeds. I'm going to plant a couple seeds every few inches. They need a little bit of space to grow here. And when the rain comes, it'll be doing the work for me. It's practically effortless. If you're not planting these 5 vegetables before it rains, you're missing out. So keep an eye on your weather app. When you see rain in the forecast, get outside and plant these 5 easy to grow vegetables like crazy. I guarantee it, you will not regret it. Well, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Happy New Year, everyone. We've got tons of fun stuff coming up. New series on raised bed gardening, new garden layouts and designs. And head over to Callie Kim Garden and Home and grab your seed collections and your brand new Callie Kim 10-gallon Smart Pots. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.